This is the editor. You will see this view in the admin when you edit a page, an article, or any other type of content. The title, the name of the page, is at the top. You can edit it here. Below that is the content area, where you can see what the front-end visitor of the website will see. And in the side, there's a sidebar. You can enable and disable the sidebar with this icon. In the sidebar, there are two tabs. Post, in this case, otherwise it can be page or any other type of content, as we discussed. This tab lets you edit settings related to the page or article. And the other tab is the block that lets you edit each block. Now, what is a block? A block is every piece of layout or content on the page. You need to select one to see its settings. If I select this piece of text, for example, we can see that this block is a text block. It has a text editor field, which is a WYSIWYG editor. What you see is what you get. We will go more in depth on this one later. And you can see there is a toolbar next to our selection as well. Apart from this, a third area was updated when we selected the text block, and this is the breadcrumbs in the bottom. You can see that this text block is inside a group block as well. We can click and select the group here, and it will update the sidebar with the group's settings now, and the toolbar as well, because that is also unique to each block. We can change our selection back and forth by clicking on the article, text, and the group. Sometimes it might be difficult to see the boundaries between blocks, especially if they are stacked like our text and group block here. So an easier way to find blocks is if you click on the document overview. And this shows a list view and hierarchy of all the blocks that are on the page. You can click on the three dots to access quick actions like copy, duplicate, or delete a block. Or click and drag to move blocks around. We can move this text block outside of the group, move it after the group, or move it inside of the group by indenting. Alternatively, you can move blocks on the visual area as well with these 6 dots in the toolbar.